to try to find my calm ASMR voice. My name is Amanda Sinnott, and we're going to talk about overcoming test anxiety today. I have my master's degree in education and been working with high school students for 8 years. I love big donuts. I have a really cute little dog and little nephew. And I have anxiety. And so I just want you to know that you are not alone. And it is so common to have anxiety, especially situational anxiety or test anxiety. That's why I'm making this video, is because I hear about it all the time. And here's some strategies to help you overcome test anxiety. The first strategy is to be healthy, and the easiest way to be healthy is to drink all the water. Water helps every single cell in your body be happy. It helps your brain, your heart, your nervous system, everything. So we're not asking for radical lifestyle changes while you're preparing for this test, but the easiest way to start being healthy and to combat that anxiety is to be hydrated. So drink lots of water every day. You also want to harness the power of smells. Look at that little kitty. So the secret of this is if you have a perfume, a cologne, if you get essential oils, a certain lotion or shampoo you use, you want to be able to smell it on your wrist, essential oil, take a sniff, and then on test day, put that same oil on your wrist and smell it. So what this will do is not only trick your brain into feeling comfortable and at home, but it's going to remind you of what you were studying. So this actually has double benefits. Do not be like Bad Luck Brian and forget your pencil on test day. And the best way to do this is to make a list. So make a list, check it twice, put on this list everything you need for test day. Also, put on the list your smell, whatever smell you're harnessing the power of, put it on the list. By making this list, you're going to feel in control of test day and prepared, and that's going to really help ease any anxiety that you may have. The next thing you're going to want to do to overcome test anxiety is to visualize yourself taking that test. You were successful in that test. You got the grade you wanted. Whatever you want the outcome to be, close your eyes and visualize it. This is straight from the book, The Secret, but it is a pretty life-changing practice when you start doing it. And it's all about harnessing the power of visualization and positive thinking. And so I would definitely look into it and use it in other aspects of your life or other times you might be anxious. So a part of that visualization is replicate the test environment. Are you taking this test at school, at a testing center? What are you wearing? Where are you sitting in the classroom? What materials do you have with you? What time do you get there? When you're taking either a practice test or studying, try to emulate what the environment's going to be like, because this is going to make you feel more comfortable and prepared on test day. And also the time of day when you're studying and practicing for a test, make sure it's the same time of day you're taking the test, because your brain is going to be functioning at different levels at different times of the day. Breathing. It is so important to have controlled breathing if you're someone that's trying to overcome any sort of anxiety. You need to practice this breathing when you're not feeling anxious, so that when those anxious feelings start to creep up, you're prepared and it's like muscle memory. You feel that anxious feeling and you just blow it right out of your brain. And then you relax. No studying the night before the test. You can study in the day if you must, or at school. But the night before the test, you really need to just have some self-care. Put on a face mask, listen to your favorite music, watch your favorite movie, eat a healthy dinner. By now you're super hydrated and you're doing deep breathing exercises. So you can just relax and know that you're prepared and that you're going to do amazing on the test. And just remember, it is just a test, and all you can do is do your best and go into it feeling prepared, calm, and confident. I would wish you good luck, but you don't need it because you are prepared and you got this.